beauty, it's Ash and welcome to my channel. These are the Vanity Collections modern makeup storage. These are the inserts for the IKEA drawers. So I wanted to show you guys what they look like. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll go ahead and leave everything down below, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Love you beauty. Catch you in my next video.